Hey, my vintage paper lovers, welcome to Steph's Design Space where the past and present meet in journal form. Yes, I am yawning already. So I'm actually filming this on the day before I have to be at the airport at the most ridiculous time on the planet. So, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We're gonna create something like this for my Easter journal. Okay, so I'm so excited. I'm absolutely in love with the Easter journal and how it turned out. So as I'm recording this video, the video of it being put together is out for your viewing pleasure. Okay, so the base of this pocket is 8.5 by 4. So it's 8.5 tall. So I want to make sure that I am paying attention to that. So I want it 8.5 tall. So if I want this to be the length, I always get myself so confused. Anybody else? Just me? I feel like it's just me. I feel like it is just me that the moment a number is mentioned, my brain just shuts down. It's like, no, we're not doing any of that. You're on your own. 8.5 by 4. So it's going to be 8.5 tall, but it's going to be 4 inches wide. All right, let me figure out where I want the 4 inches. So this is going to be the 4 inches. So do I want it there or there? Like, what do I want? I'm gonna go this way. Okay, so let's just do 4 inches. Okay, because most of it's gonna get covered up anyway, and that's okay. All right, so that is 4 inches. Okay, now set that aside because we're gonna need that. Now I need this to be 8.5 tall, and yeah, let's do it like this. Okay, right, this is correct. So put that to the side. Now for the top one, I need 8.5 again by 3.5. So another 8.5. This is gonna go on top. Oh, but I'm doing it this way. Oh, so you know what? Let me do it like this, because I want like these to be the other pockets. Anyway, we're just gonna do it. I'm not gonna think about it too hard because analysis paralysis. Okay, so that was 3.5 by 8.5. And this part doesn't really matter because I'm flipping it. Because I'm using my Patches of Spring double-sided 12 by 12 paper. They are available on my website, and that is what I'm using right now. And because it's double-sided, like I could do that, but it gets lost. So I thought this would be fun. In all reality, I probably should have done it the other way around, but I didn't. So here we are. Okay, now I have to do 3 pockets that are 2.5 by 3. So what is this? 2.5. So I already have 2 pockets here, right? So if I do 2.5 by 3. Well, that'd be more like, okay, there we go. So that's gonna be a pocket, 2.5. Let's do it like this. Put a little of the, whatchamacallit in there. 2.5 by 3. I don't wanna cut that part off. By 3. Okay, and I have all these little pieces that I'm saving because you just never know, right? And then I need another 2.5 by 3. I'm gonna do it this way. I want this part, so 2.5 by 3. There we go. I like it. Okay, so we are done cutting. So if you want to write this down, I should have wrote it down for y'all. I do have it written down, but it is in the worst possible way. So here. Base is 8.5 by 4. And then on top of that, you want 8.5 by 3.5. And then you want 3 pockets, right, that are 2.5 by 3. Okay, so y'all can screenshot that for this pocket. Got it? Okay. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to round corners. So this is going to go inside of my, isn't she gorgeous, Easter journal. I need to figure out where I'm going to put her, because that makes the difference on which way I put the pocket. So I have to figure out where I'm putting her first and foremost. Already got my pockets there. I have a pocket there. Oh, maybe here. Right, so if I do that, okay, so this being said, my pocket needs to be on this side. I'm gonna flip this. So I'm gonna glue here and I'm gonna round these corners. I'm gonna put this right here so I don't forget where I said I wanted that. Okay, so I'm gonna round corners and I'm going to ink it up. And I'm gonna do that really, really fast. And while I'm doing that, I might as well go ahead and punch the notches in these. So let me get out my handy dandy whale tail. There we go. All right, so I have those cut out. And they're gonna go like that, but I'm gonna ink everything up. I am going to do a different type of notch. I just really want to kind of see where the middle is. I like this notch. If I'm using a bunch of notches, like for different things, I like to do different notches. I think it just makes it stand out more. So if I'm doing a whale tail on these, then I'll do that notch on this. All right, so rounding corners and inking it up, and we're just gonna do that quickly. But I'm only going to round the corners that are facing out, since this is gonna be like flush up against the signature. Okay, so those are all inked up, and I got a little heavy-handed on that ink. Anyway, all right, so first things first, we are going to glue this onto here. So that requires glue, and this is a pocket, right? So we do sides and bottom. I could never be a professional gluer. It is all kinds of crooked and whatevs. Okay, so we're gonna glue that all the way up against the edge and the top and the bottom. So it's gonna be a side pocket. Now, these are going to go on here. So I'm gonna do bottom, top, and then middle, just so I can make sure they are spaced out. But I know I want the middle not to be right on top of that notch. So these I'm gonna put over, so I want it right there. I think I want that and that. Or this and that. Yep, that's how I want it. Okay. I'm looking at colors. I don't want the same colors sitting on top of each other. Not that it really matters. We have to do what makes us happy, right? All right. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, and then this one, same thing. I'm missing Monday Night Live with y'all because I have to be in bed super early. I have to be at the airport at like 3:30 in the morning. So that does require going to bed a lot earlier than I'm accustomed to, and if I was on a live, I would get wound up. So that is why I am putting out a video in lieu of my live. Okay, now these I do want to decorate a bit. Just the pockets. Pick some of these. So these were a freebie in February on my website. I'm looking for this. Okay, now I want to determine which ones I want to use. I already know one of the ones I'm going to use for sure. So I'm going to put He Is Risen on this one. Probably nothing there, and maybe, let's see. How about this butterfly? Yep, that's what we're doing. All right, so I'm just going to cut this out and this out really quick, and then we'll put them on there and then put it in the book. Okay, so I am going to take a little tiny bit of the Tattered Rose and kind of just dust this a bit, just to kind of take away that stark white. I mean, I could cut the whole thing out, but no. And this is a Easter journal, so it's not like it's grunge, right? I mean, you could make a grunge Easter if you wanted. Okay, now I am still going to ink up the edges with the vintage photo, just so it is cohesive. Okay, so I'm going to put that one right there, and then we're going to do this butterfly. Let me go ahead and dust up these little antennae. There we go. A little dab on the edges. Okay, and then that's going to go right there. I'm going to leave that blank right now. If I find something, great. If not, that's okay too. Not everything has to be decorated immediately. Because sometimes I find that if I would have waited, I would have found something, you know, I find something better. It's like, oh man, I should have waited. So I'm going to wait on that one. But in the meantime, let's get this down. Okay, you were only unplugged for like a second. Good gravy. Okay, so that is done. Now let me get the journal. And I already found the place I want it. So let us not forget. It's going to go right here on this Braille page. And this is also going to be a pocket. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. And this one, I almost forgot what I was supposed to be gluing. I try to hold my hand where I don't want to glue as a reminder, hey, don't glue your hand. But sometimes I still forget. Okay. I'm not putting it all the way to the edge. Okay, bottom, side, top, get that good and glued it down. I don't remember if I did a flip through. Did I do a flip through of this journal in the last video? I don't remember, so we can do that rather quickly. This is a calendar page, and then I covered it with ledger. This was a napkin, and it's the same napkin that this was. And I talk about in my video how I did all of that, right? This is like a little flip out, handmade paper. That is a pocket, just some fun stuff. This is typing paper. This is a piece of vellum. It will be a pocket. There we go. And then of course what we just made. And then on the flip side, this is also, I'm going to leave it open like a tuck, because sometimes you need something where you can slide something big into it. So I'm leaving it like that. This is a belly band. I did this on a video. And then I made these 2 pockets. So that's one and that's one. Pockets with a belly band. Here is and it's a wraparound. So I wrapped this around and made a pocket with a belly band. This is the flip side of the other one. So we have a belly band and two pockets. There we go. And this is a napkin. More Braille paper. This is the flip side of that. This does flip out. This is maybe get decorated a little bit, but it's going to be a lot of writing space. Lots of writing space. I like for my journals to have writing space. This is also going to get covered with something Eastery. We have another pocket with some ledger. This is that part of the flip out. This flips open. Again, I'll cover that, but lots of writing space. The doily, cover that. And the doilies have a pocket with decorations. And then that's the other side. So this is the Easter journal, and we will be decorating it. I will not be live again on the 16th because I am not flying back home until the 17th. And then I will have videos out that week. So you'll have 2 videos this week, and then when I get back, you'll have some videos. She's gorgeous. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to follow Susan at I Totally Love It. Check out all the people she has linked that are also doing an Easter journal for this collab. Follow me in all of the places. And until next time, y'all have a blessed day. Bye.